The journey from our time to the year 3050 was not a slow crawl, but a breathtaking leap. What was once the stuff of science fiction has become our shared reality. The world we knew, the cities we built, have transformed into something magnificent, something beyond our ancestors' wildest dreams. This is a glimpse into that future. This is the world of 3050. Welcome to the metropolis of tomorrow. Look up, and you won't just see skyscrapers, you'll see entire ecosystems reaching for the heavens. These are our ecologies, vertical cities draped in green, breathing life back into the urban landscape. Look closer. The rivers of traffic that once choked our streets now flow silently through the sky. Personal transport pods, guided by a citywide artificial intelligence, weave through the air with impossible grace and precision. There are no traffic jams, no accidents, no pollution. Just a seamless, silent dance of light and motion. Powering this magnificent city are floating energy cores, harnessing solar and atmospheric energy, glowing like miniature suns, a testament to our mastery of clean, limitless power. The very air feels different here, crisp, clean, and vibrant. This isn't just a city. It's a living, breathing organism, a symphony of technology and nature working in perfect harmony. Every street, every building, every park is designed with a single purpose: to elevate human life while healing the planet. This is the promise of the future, realized. But the most profound changes aren't just in our cities, they're within us. The dawn of neural integration has redefined what it means to be human. With a simple thought, we access the vast collective knowledge of our species. A neural chip, a marvel of bio-integrated technology, allows for instantaneous communication, learning, and creation. Education is no longer confined to classrooms. A student can learn astrophysics by flying through a simulated nebula, or study ancient history by walking the holographic streets of Rome. Communication has transcended screens. We connect through life like holograms, sharing spaces and experiences with loved ones across the globe as if they were right there in the room. Our homes are managed by intuitive AI assistants that anticipate our needs, from curating the perfect morning ambience to preparing a nutritionally optimized meal. Life is simpler, yet richer. We have more time for creativity, for connection, for simply being. This isn't about replacing humanity. It's about enhancing it, unlocking potential we never knew we had. At the heart of this new world is the partnership between humans and artificial intelligence. Robots are no longer just tools. They are our collaborators, our partners in building a better world. In hospitals, robotic surgeons perform life-saving procedures with a precision beyond human capability, guided by the steady hand of a human doctor. In our factories, automated systems handle the heavy lifting, freeing humans to focus on design, innovation, and quality control. But perhaps their most vital role is in healing our planet. Fleets of autonomous drones and submersibles work tirelessly, cleaning our oceans of ancient plastics, reseeding coral reefs, and planting billions of trees in once barren lands. In our classrooms, AI tutors provide personalized education for every child, adapting to their unique learning style and pace, ensuring no one is left behind. This collaboration is built on trust and a shared goal: to solve the great challenges of our time together. Our ambition, once confined to our own world, now reaches for the stars. The solar system has become our backyard. Regular transport routes connect Earth, the Moon, and Mars, turning interplanetary travel from a once-in-a-lifetime expedition into a routine commute. We are no longer just visitors to space. We are inhabitants. Sprawling orbital stations are hubs of science, commerce, and culture. We mine asteroids for precious resources, fueling our civilization's growth without further taxing our home planet. On Mars, terraforming efforts are slowly turning the red dust green, a testament to our enduring spirit of exploration. We look out at the cosmos not with fear, but with a sense of belonging. The universe is vast, and for the first time in history, we feel truly ready to explore it. This is humanity's next great chapter, written among the stars. Life in 3050 is an immersive tapestry of culture and leisure. Entertainment is no longer something you watch. It's something you experience. Full immersion virtual reality allows us to step into our favorite stories, climb the highest mountains, or walk on distant worlds, all from the comfort of our homes. Art is a collaborative dance between human creativity and AI algorithms, producing breathtaking visuals, music, and literature that constantly push the boundaries of imagination. Sports have evolved, with augmented athletes competing in dynamic arenas that change in real time. Learning has become a lifelong adventure. Imagine studying marine biology by shrinking down to swim alongside a blue whale, or learning architecture by constructing a virtual skyscraper with your own hands. Life is vibrant, engaging, and endlessly fascinating. Perhaps our greatest achievement is not what we've built, but what we've restored. For decades, AI has been our most powerful ally in the fight against climate change. Sophisticated climate models running on quantum computers allowed us to predict and mitigate environmental disasters before they happen. We've rejuvenated our oceans, rebuilt our forests, and stabilized our climate. Self-sustaining ecosystems managed by AI now flourish where deserts once expanded. We've learned to live in balance with our planet, not as its masters, but as its caretakers. The clean air, the clear water, the return of biodiversity, this is the legacy we are building. A healed planet, a sustainable future, a promise kept to the generations that will follow us. This new world is supported by a new model of society. Governance has been revolutionized by AI, which analyzes vast amounts of data to help create policies that are fair, efficient, and responsive to the needs of all citizens. Bureaucracy has been streamlined, and resources are allocated with unprecedented precision. Our smart cities operate with a quiet, unseen intelligence. Public services are optimized, energy consumption is minimized, and safety is ensured through predictive systems that de-escalate conflicts before they begin. Law enforcement is now focused on community support and prevention, aided by an eye that identifies root causes rather than just reacting to symptoms. This isn't a world run by machines, but a world where machines help us run our world better, creating a society that is more just, more equitable, and more harmonious for everyone. The year 3050 is not a distant, unattainable utopia. It is the culmination of choices we are making right now. It is a world born from hope, built with ingenuity, and sustained by the powerful synergy of human spirit and artificial intelligence. We have faced our challenges not by turning away from technology, but by embracing it with wisdom and compassion. We have learned that our greatest strength lies not in our individual brilliance, but in our ability to collaborate with each other and with the incredible tools we have created. This peaceful, advanced, and sustainable world is our shared creation. The future is not something that happens to us. The future is being built today. Thanks for watching.